Hello all and welcome to our latest webinar from your customer success team here at ETGL. Today we're going to be giving you a brief overview of some of the exciting new features within the recent Despatch 2.89 release.
So let's look at the things that have been included within the release. First up is the new interface design. We have a brand new look and feel for iCabbi. It's fresh, modern and brings a new look to the iCabbi Despatch. We've not changed any of the functionality for making bookings. All the hotkeys, shortcuts, function keys all work as the current iCabbi functionality in the legacy system. This is the start of several updates to the iCabbi UI that will be released over the coming 12 months to deliver a fresh new experience to your system. The new UI can be activated per user and the individual user can decide which UI they want to use. Our default setting is the legacy, so there are no immediate visual changes on the release day. So to go to the settings tab on Despatch, display settings and then theme. And here you have three options. So the legacy, which is the default setting, light mode and dark mode. Once you've selected your chosen theme, click on save. The system will auto refresh and you will be updated in your new theme. Under the new light and dark themes, the command menu options have been moved from the right on top of the screen to the new control center, activated by the stack menu in the top left hand corner. This new control center is where you can navigate between the different functions within iCabbi, and this is where you'll find your operator, manage, admin functions, as well as your wallboard, parking, map and driver playback, as well as your usual settings and logout functions.
Next up we have a new data suite tool. So the new data suite is a new data platform giving you complete control of your data to build your own reports and dashboards. This new suite is a replacement for the existing report tool within Despatch. The existing report tool will remain in place for the immediate future whilst you learn how to use the new data suite, but the eventual objective is to remove the report section from Despatch. You'll see there's some preset reports already set up for you in the new data suite, but you'll now have the freedom and flexibility to build your own reports and dashboards and ensure that you're able to report on the things that really matter to your business using the data points of your choosing. If you're using the new UI, you'll find the link to the data suite on your control center menu, or if you're on the legacy, you'll find the link on the toolbar between the driver playback and search. For more information on user access to the data suite and how the new suite works, please contact our support team who will be more than happy to help run through this with you.
Next is the new estimate route and actual route feature. With the previous functionality, once a job was completed, you were trying to review it through the booking inquiry screen, the system would only show the estimated route from the inquiry. We now have the feature to allow you to view the estimated route of the trip and the actual route of which the driver took, which will help you deal with the inquiries from passengers relating to perhaps the price or the route taken without you having to spend time going through logs or having to speak to support to find this information out. This is accessed through the booking tab on Despatch, or booking inquiry screen as it is commonly known. Once you find the booking you were looking for, click on view and scroll down to the map to see an estimated route and the actual route. The actual route is in blue with the timestamps taken from the driver app.
Next, we've a new booking reminder hook that is designed to remind customers of upcoming bookings that they've made. This will help you reduce no-shows and cancellations, and the feature was developed because of your ideas and suggestions. The booking reminder hook can be found at admin, config, hooks and booking reminder. Select edit to set up and activate this hook. When using this hook, you decide how much time you want to set before the hook gets sent to the customer, but remember, when the setting for the hook is activated, you should consider the lead times of your zone. So for example, if your average zone lead times are 10 minutes, then you could set the hook to at least 15 so that it sends before the job moves into dispatch. This will then give the opportunity to make the changes before the job moves into the dispatch queue.
The last new feature we're going to cover today is staff messages. Right now, when a staff message is sent through, it interrupts the active users with a pop-up message. This can be annoying for staff as they have to stop what they're doing to mark the message as read. So we now have a new feature that flashes the screen green instead of popping up. This still alerts the staff to the new message, but it won't interrupt what they're currently doing. The old way still works when they first log in, so they can catch up on the messages before they start the shift. And once they've read all the messages, the new feature takes over and alerts them with a green flash.
It's important to add that we've briefly discussed here a handful of new features that are included within this release. However, this is by no means an exhaustive list. There are many more that have been added, so please do look out for the release notes or contact your CS manager for further details.
That's it for today, guys. Thanks again for your continued feedback. We're glad that these videos are useful to you in helping you get the best from iCabbi. Please follow us on all our social media platforms so you can keep up to date with everything iCabbi, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks again, and we'll see you again soon.
Thanks again, see you soon.